Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. It is about 10 to 5 on Thursday, and we'll give everybody a minute here to join in and join me. I haven't done a Facebook Live in a week or so again, but I'm trying to get better, and I'm trying to do more of them and bring you cocktails every week on our email list. So thank you for joining me. Thanks for watching me live. I see some people joining right now, so thank you very much. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up so I know that you're here. I do see some people joining. So today I'm going to be making a strawberry mojito. We just got this really awesome strawberry liqueur, fruit of the labor from Do Good Spirits up in Roscoe, New York. They basically take local strawberries and they soak them in vodka, and they make this liqueur with it. So this is really awesome. There's a farmer who makes way before dawn. A cool little thing on the back talking about where they get the fruit from. So thank you. Hello, Sean. Thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Let's see. So some upcoming things that we have going on here at Aroma Thyme. This next Monday, we have a beer dinner. It is 4 beers and a dish for $35. That starts at 6:30. We have jazz tonight. Tonight is Thursday night, so we have jazz. Of course, we have to-go available. The restaurant is open. You can come in. We're going to be eating inside tonight. It's supposed to be in the 60s around 7, so it's a little cold for jazz. So jazz will be inside tonight. Let's see, Monday night we have our beer dinner. The following Monday we have a wine dinner. And we have lobster night. Lobster night is back on Monday nights. So join us in-house for lobster night. 2 lobster tails and garlic mashed potatoes and vegetables for $29.99. That is every Monday, and that just started this week, so we were busy for it. So please make sure you call ahead and make reservations. Anyway, I'm going to make a strawberry mojito. So I took some limes. I'm going to take a little bit of agave, a little lime juice. Let's see if I can point this down. A little bit of lime juice. And I'm going to muddle that all together. You can put fresh strawberries in here as well if you'd like. I just don't have any fresh strawberries right now. Some mint. Put some mint in there. And muddle that all up. All together. I'm going to add 2 ounces of rum. And I'm going to add some strawberry liqueur. Get it open. Hello, Cheryl. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. I'm going to mix that on up. So I would muddle some fresh strawberries in here as well. Yesterday I had some strawberries, some frozen strawberries that I was going to add to it. I never got online yesterday, so I apologize for that. Thanks for watching me. Hello, Cheryl. Hello, Blanca. Sean, thank you for watching me. I'm going to add a little bit of ice. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of lemon lime soda and some seltzer. And give it a mix. Grab a straw. So let's see. Hello, Matthew. Matthew, we miss you at our wine dinners and our beer dinners. So hello. Everybody's been asking about you. Hello, Marcia. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. I really appreciate it. Let's see. Let's go ahead and give this strawberry mojito a taste. I used this fruit of the labor strawberry liqueur from Do Good Spirits in Roscoe. And I gotta tell you, this smells like strawberries. It tastes like strawberries. It tastes like you have a mouthful of strawberries. Smells so good. Thanks Blanca. It's nice to see my videos again. Thank you. Sorry, I've been a little absent. It's been a little bit busy and crazy, and some days I just can't get on at 4:30. Hope to be back there for a wine and beer dinner soon. Great, thanks Matthew, appreciate it. So that is it. Tonight is jazz night. Aroma Thyme is open. You can take out. We still have takeout available as well here at Aroma Thyme. And hello, Joanne. I appreciate it. So I made this awesome strawberry mojito that I'm gonna have to take a picture of. I sent the recipe to this out as well on Wednesday. If you're not on our email list, go ahead and check out our emails. Go to our website, sign up for our emails, and you'll get great recipes for drinks like this. So thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it, and we will catch everybody soon. Bye.